to inform my BJP friends what Janakrosha Yatre you are doing. It is better to change the board and tell that you are doing this Akrosh Yatra against the BJP government at the central level. Because whatever the prices were in 2014, when you took over the responsibility of this country till today, almost all the essential commodities and all the prices connected to the central government, including the petrol, diesel, cement, and including the farming products, including the vehicle, TV, small mobiles, and all the items have been doubled, tripled, and all the common man has been suffering. No doubt we might have raised about 2 rupees, 4 rupees of the milk. But compared to the other parts of the country, this raise has been done because the fodder price, whatever the English, the feeds price. Feed price has been enhanced due to the various chemical and other cost has been uploaded on that, and almost the feed cost has been doubled. So in order to help the farmer, we have raised about 4 rupees. I agree on that. Last 10 years, we have not raised the water. So, water price. So that last 10 price, you know what is the price of power and what is the price of the salaries which has been included. So I given a list of all the essential commodities, including every item the common man using, from gold to silver. What was the price in 2014? What is the price today? The common man can't take even one small Mangal Sutra also. So we have any small vehicle a normal man uses, all has become double, triple and 4 times. So every bank account, earlier without anything they could have kept even 5 rupees, their account would have been alive. Now for taking the checkbook, depositing, transaction of any small account of a common man also, he has been harassed and money has been deducted, his pocket has been looted. That is why we decided to request them, urge them to change their yatra into BJP central government Janakrosha Yatra against them. There is no need of putting our photos or making against it. They are the root cause. They are the root cause for all this price rise. So we have decided on 17th of this month, that is on Thursday, under the leadership of my Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, and my AICC General Secretary and my secretaries also will be participating in that. All the ministers and MLAs also will be requested, and all our party functionaries will be requested to participate on that. Again, on the further plan at the district level and the Taluk level, we are going to communicate to you later. So we have decided on 17th, since we were out of the state for 3 days, we were not able to announce it earlier. So I thought that I will come from there. On the day of the starting, I think I gave a bite to the media and went back. Today I thought that I should decide it. So myself, my working president, my MADA president, my youth president are all on the dais. So I am communicating to all of them to participate in this Jana Akrosh Yatra against the BJP government in the central, who is responsible for all the prices of all essential commodities, including the petrol, diesel and the gas price.